Well, project turn signals is just about completed. Had to go back to the drawing board. The trailer kit did not work. But boy, did I come up with some great solutions here. Take a look at that turn signal. That's factory looking. That's an additional bulb I put in there. Wasn't hard to do at all. These units are made for that. So your brake lights will go normally, but that's a new turn signal bulb. That entire cavity was blank. Notice my marker lights there. Let's take a quick walk around, take a look at my new turn signal kit. This is not the one I'm going to leave in here. It did not work out the way I wanted it to, but the other one, another version of it will. And so left and right, easy enough. And behind it is a little pull lever for your emergency flashers. So no more additional rockers, nothing. We're golden. So here's what she looks like from the front. Turn signals flashing. Factory looking side markers. And we're complete. I will get back with you all at the beginning of the week and show you all how I made this happen. But I'm going riding tomorrow for the first time in a couple of months. Have a good weekend, folks, and I will show you how I made this happen on the cheap, and it works great.